Hey guys, this is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker again. First, I'd like to say thank you so much for the subscriptions and the kind comments. It means the world to me. Thank you for the warm welcome to the community. Now let's get to the video. When most people think of silver coins, they think of 90% silver. But there's another type of coin that many stackers quietly collect that is often overlooked, misunderstood, and sometimes dismissed. It's the 40% silver Kennedy half dollar. In this video, we're going to talk about what they are, which years contain silver, what they're made of, and whether they're worth stacking, especially for beginners. So, what are 40% silver Kennedy half dollars? Well, it's pretty much in the name. After President John F. Kennedy was assassinated in 1963, the U.S. Mint introduced the Kennedy half dollar in 1964. That first year, 1964, was 90% silver. But from 1965 through 1970, the U.S. Mint reduced the silver content to 40%. These coins were still real silver, just less of it. Now, here's some key information stackers need to know. Again, the 40% silver Kennedy half dollars were minted from 1965 to 1970, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. In this stack of about 80 I have right here, I don't have a 1970. I got all the other dates. And that kind of makes sense because they're hard to come by. Because in 1970, the Kennedy halves were not released for circulation, making them less common, but still 40% silver. So keep your eyes out for some 1970s. Now, this is where things get interesting. A 40% Kennedy half dollar is made of 40% silver and 60% copper. But unlike modern clad coins, the silver isn't just on the outside. The coin has a silver-copper outer layer and a copper core that also contains silver. Each 40% Kennedy half dollar contains about 0.1479 troy ounces of pure silver. That's real, measurable silver. Just about 7 of these coins get you 1 troy ounce of silver. So if you stack 7 of these together, you have 1 troy ounce of silver. Just a little bit more than that. Now, do you know why stackers love, well, maybe not love, but do you know why stackers like 40% Kennedy halves? Here's a few reasons, I think. Number one, they have lower premiums. They often sell closer to the spot price than 90% silver. Number two, it's fractional silver. It's great for stacking small amounts without buying full ounces. Number three, it's recognizable U.S. coinage, trusted, familiar, and easy to authenticate. And number four, it's undervalued by many. Because they're not 90% silver, they're often overlooked. And this can be an advantage to you and I that like to stack it. So here's some reasons why I think stackers avoid the 40%ers. I mean, to be fair, not everybody loves them. So reason number one, they avoid it. They contain less silver per coin. They're bulkier per ounce. And number three, refiners sometimes pay slightly less than for other coins, other silver coins. These are all valid points, but they don't make it bad silver. I mean, silver. So the question is, are 40% Kennedy half dollars good for beginners to stack? I love this word. Absolutely. 40% Kennedy halves can be an excellent entry point. They're affordable. They're easy to recognize. It's real U.S. silver and historically significant. You don't need deep pockets. You don't have to have a ton of cash on hand to start stacking real metal. You can get into this with very little capital. Very little. And that's what makes it so great for beginners, I think, in my opinion. Silver is silver, whether it's 90% junk silver, 40% Kennedy halves, or 1 ounce rounds. Silver is silver. The key is owning it physically outside the system. Now let me leave you with some final thoughts. 40% silver Kennedy half dollars may not be flashy, but they're honest silver with history behind them and still quietly stacked by those who understand its value. Don't overlook them. If this video's helped you in any way, please consider subscribing for more silver content. And let me know in the comments, do you stack 40% Kennedy halves or do you stack 90? What do you stack? Did I misspeak in anything here? Did I miss anything? Please leave the information. I am always willing to learn. I am constantly learning about silver and gold, and I learn from you guys as I watch your channels. Now, thanks for watching. This is Troy Ounze, the Silver Stacker. Stack smart, stack silver.